UV plastic birch plywood drawer size. These drawer sizes are covered in a premium veneer, offering a virtually perfect plastic birch finish. Technical specifications: product number, coating type. Actually, coating number they have the birch veneer lacquer or wood veneer finish, rusher birch. Species prefinished, finishings prefinished. The thickness plastic drawer box in clear lacquer, various size. The product details. Plywood drawers with double construction, splat flat packet. Drawers are not pre-drilled and will suit any base mounting drawer runner. Edges are with visible plywood on the top. Application for cabinets with 18 mm board thickness. 430 mm deep drawer thickness, size fronts and backs 12. Size fronts and backs 12. Material size front and back plywood birch base MDF. Finish size front and back clear lacquer base lacquer. Please note drawer runners are not included, must be ordered separately. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Shop kitchen cabinets online. The best wood for drawer construction. Woodworkers who are making cabinetry out of expensive, attractive hardwoods are often certain what to use when it comes to constructing the drawers. Prefinished plastic boil drawers, drawer size. Plastic drawer size. Save time and money with 100% plastic birch pre-made drawer size. This precisely made drawer size have 30% more price than domestically produced drawer size. This produces a drawer size with a visually word-free construction, excellent machinability, and dimensional stability. Plastic birch drawer size are made for extended life and to endure heavy loads. Prefinished drawer sides are coated on both sides with low VOC UV clear coat. This top coat resists scratching and saves material and lap course suited with in-house fishing. Unfinished drawer sides are fine sanded, ready to receive a prefinished finish or stamp. Wide the thickness, length, pattern tolerance, plus minus 0.3 mm. Dano, cut to custom specific grades, certifications. Drawer size prefinished. This is dimensions.